Well, it's pre-Friday, East Texas, and outside, beautiful cobalt blue skies. I'll tell you what, man, if it wasn't so warm, this would be the perfect scene for fall out there with that dry air in place. We're at 81 degrees, though, already starting to warm up, although that's not too bad. Dew points, though, climbing up. Notice they're in the 50s now. They've been in the 40s and 30s lately, so a little bit more humidity trying to creep in, which is actually some good news when it comes to the grass fires out there. It's sad news. That's going to drop as we go throughout the afternoon, so we'll lose that extra moisture here. 82 degrees in Athens, 83 Gilmer, 84 Mineola, 82 Nacogdoches, and 82 degrees currently in Lufkin. We've got wall-to-wall sunshine, and we expect that to continue for you as you head into your Thursday afternoon. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. Upper 80s by lunchtime. We'll be in the low 90s by mid-afternoon. Late afternoon, we're in the mid-90s. And, yes, those are near record high temperatures once again. You know, yesterday, Tyler, Lufkin, and over in Longview all were 1 degree shy of tying that record high temperature. I think we may have a chance of doing it today. Here's why. We're going to go from the mid to upper 80s at lunchtime into the mid-90s for highs with that dry air in place this afternoon. 94 in Tyler, 96 in Longview. And remember those numbers because take a look at this. The record high temperature today in Tyler is 93. So very easily could tie or break that record. In Longview, the record high is 96. I think you could tie it. And even in Lufkin, your record high is 95, so you could tie that high as well. So we'll be watching the thermometer ever so closely this afternoon to see if we can maybe break one of those records. The hot, dry air in place over Texas now, but check it out. There's a front heading down from Canada, and that has some cooler air with it. In fact, this front arrives by your weekend, and that brings us a much nicer weekend with a great surge of cool air. We're talking lows in the 40s and highs only in the 70s. Quite the change from what we've been dealing with, and I think most of us will take it. Here's a look at your forecast. Again, near record highs today. We're going at 94. The record is 93, but then that front moves through. 80s for highs on Friday, down into the 70s by Saturday with plenty of sunshine. The latest drought monitor was released today, and as you can see, everyone's still in that severe to extreme drought. Notice a little area of exceptional drought just to our south and west along the 45 corridor. We need some rain. Sadly, it's going to stay very dry, so the high fire danger will exist today with that low humidity and that dry soil. That's going to really cause some problems as the wind picks up this afternoon. So use caution if you've got to be outside. Of course, we've got burn bans pretty much all over East Texas. The good news, next Wednesday and the Thursday, a front moves south. An area of low pressure moves in from the south as well. That's going to enhance our chances of rainfall as we head towards the middle and end of next week. So 94 today. Back into the 70s for highs this weekend, lows in the 40s, and look at that, 40% chance of rain by Wednesday.
That sounds nice.
That does, with cooler temperatures.
Well, looks like a good thing to me.
You know, I do what I can.
And thank you for that.
Just for you.
We'll be right back.